back to my channel who have been here, and if you are new here, my name is Ashwa Bhavsar and I usually create skincare, hair care, and I feel like I try to share everything that I can. It's been a long time since I've made a huge skincare video. I thought I'll come up with something new this time. To be honest, the last video that was I went out on a grocery shopping, and I have been trying this meal prep for like now 3 weeks, and it has been good because I usually cook ahead for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I cook on Thursday, so that gives us enough time once we are back from work. But for now, I'm focusing on my hair. My hair has been feeling very frizzy, dry, and it needs care. Like, I grew up putting coconut oil throughout my school time, and now I no longer get that chance because Monday to Friday I'm like constantly like juggling my life between house and work and things around. So if you can see, like, this is like a week old wash. Okay, I do not get time, I'm too lazy. So it's been like a week I haven't washed them, and I thought this is the perfect time to do this routine and kind of share it with you as well and see how it gets and see the results, what it looks like. So if you can see, I have it has a bit of an oil, and you see that thinning is coming to a huge time now. When I used to initially braid, it used to be like nice and fuller and thicker, but now it's like a horse tail. But let's see, I'm gonna share this mask with you. Let's see if this DIY mask helps. So I'm gonna first take a little bit of just the milk. Milk kind of hydrates and softens the hair, so I'm gonna use milk. I'm gonna also give it a little bit of egg white. This strengthens the hair, reduces the breakage because it has protein. And then the last but the least, we have coconut oil here. This kind of deep conditions the hair and controls the frizz, which is exactly what I want right now. So I think I'm gonna give it a mix a little bit, kind of, and then I'm gonna apply it on my hair. I would, as a suggestion, I would say that because it kind of, some people don't like the smell of egg, so I would say like, don't apply it on your roots, only apply on your hair, because this is mainly for the hair, not the scalp. Also make sure that you're applying most towards the ends, because that's where most the frizziness and split ends are, so we kind of want to make it a little smoother. So let's try this.
Oh, where do we go?
And then we can just, like, after we have applied this, I think we can just leave it for, let's say, 30 minutes, I would say, or until you start feeling icky about it. And yes, as I said, on the ends, you know, the funny thing is that, oh my god, the milk was cold and I poured coconut oil in it, which I melted especially for this hair mask, and I melted it, and now it has all frozen up. Oh my god, I could have done better. So yeah, so I'm kind of smooshing like the coconut oil and trying to use it. But don't make this mistake when you are doing living in a colder country. That's what happens. So lately, while I'm applying this, let me talk about what's happening with my work. So I'm going through a lot of like uncertainty at work, because what's happening is that we are like, my company is kind of sold out, so most of my friends and, you know, like work colleagues that I work with and I had fun with throughout this year, they are all laid off. I'm still in the transition, and probably I might be the next one. Let's not talk about it and ruin our good mood of Sunday. Tomorrow I'm going back to work, and let's see how long I still have a job. So I am done with this. I am gonna now keep this for 30 minutes and come back after a rinse. So I washed and rinsed my hair, and then used conditioner, shampoo. I think I did double shampoo because it had coconut oil in it, and then left it for a certain time. I kind of cleaned my bathroom before washing it, so it kind of gave me that time to let it dry. And then I dried it. It's half dry, it's not fully dried. I want to let it like naturally dry out, rather than, you know, using too much of dryer heat. So it feels good, definitely. Let's see how after. But if you can see, like, if I naturally let it dry, it has a lot of frizz already. So so I'm just hoping that the more I think the more I take care of it, it's gonna be better. And I do definitely need a trim. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have, I think I'm gonna try more hair mask routine and see what actually benefits me. I'm strictly against, I try to be against all these masks that are readily available, so I try not to use them. But if you have something that has worked out for you very well for dry and thinning hair, do share in the comments below, and do like, subscribe or comment if something that you think that will work. But I'm hoping that you like this video, that's all. And update. Also, if someone who doesn't use egg, I wanted to say that you can try banana, like mashed bananas, and then I think it kind of will have the same, it gives more moisturizing and hydration to the hair, so do that if you don't like eggs. So that's it. I think I am going to just enjoy my hair and see. But yeah guys, look at it. Like, I don't know, but let's try. I'm gonna show. Let's see. That's how. I hope it's looking good. I don't know. This is like actually like real. I've not used. I've a little bit dried my hair, like up to 50%, but I'm leaving the 50% off. But yeah, this is what it is. And as you can see, I told you that I'm gonna like set up my paint kind of studio. So I am already doing that. I'm also excited to share more content with you about skincare, and probably some travel videos that I have lined up for this year. I'm excited to be to have summer back, and I love sunlight. As you can see, there's no sunlight in Canada right now, so I feel that I'm gonna enjoy my summers this year, being with whatever was going on. So let's see. Thank you so much guys, have fun, have a good day, bye now.